Imagine you're chatting with a friend online, but you keep saying, "How do you do?" Awkward, right? Today we're going to fix that. I'll show you phrases that native speakers actually use every day. You'll stop sounding stiff and start sounding natural. First up, greetings. Forget, "How do you do?" Most native speakers haven't said that in years. Instead, say, "What's up?" or "Hey, how's it going?" It's casual, friendly, and you'll instantly sound more relaxed. Did you notice how much softer it feels? Next, expressing surprise. Instead of, "That is unbelievable," try "No way," or just "Really?" You'll sound way more natural. Picture this. Your friend tells you they met a celebrity and you just go, "No way." Simple, fun, relatable. Sometimes people say the wrong thing. Instead of bluntly correcting them, say, "Oh, I think you mean." It's soft, polite, and friendly. You're helping, not criticizing. Even a small phrase like this changes how people feel about your English. In daily life, small phrases make a huge difference. Need a moment? Don't say, "Please wait for a minute." Instead, try, "Hang on a sec." Quick, casual, and natural. You'll see people respond better when you sound relaxed. Goodbyes matter too. Instead of "goodbye," which sounds formal, say "catch you later" or "talk soon." Light, casual, friendly. It's the same idea as texting a friend. Little phrases like these make your English feel alive. Okay, let's practice together. Repeat after me. What's up? Perfect. No way? Great. Hang on a sec. You're already sounding more like a native. Remember, repetition builds memory and memory builds confidence. Don't worry if you mess up, that's how everyone learns. Every small step counts. Speak, repeat, and keep practicing daily. The more you use these phrases naturally, the closer you'll get to speaking like a native. Keep learning with Miss English Teacher, your daily friend for fluent English.